Tesla door handles are freezing shut, leaving owners out in the cold. Unlike your normal door handle that juts out from the door, giving the human hand a place to grip, Tesla door handles sit flush with the body of the car. This looks pretty cool, helps with aerodynamics, but as it turns out, it's not very practical in cold weather conditions. The flush door handles are getting stuck, and Tesla's official recommendation is brilliant: give it a whack. According to the EV manufacturer, the best way to solve this icy issue is to use the same force as you would when knocking on your neighbor's front door. Another resort is using a hairdryer to warm up the door handle. If these solutions don't sound appealing, you can always buy a set of stick-on door handles from Amazon, but that would totally ruin your Tesla's drag coefficient. This is just another reason why Tesla didn't make our list of best winter cars for 2022.